Welcome to Minnesota is Rust YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe if you have not. Returning to Grandpa's shop, 2005 Trailblazer, aka the Deer Hunter. Now, if you look real close, you'll see a bit of the fur stuck in the bumper. So we got a deer strike we are repairing and taking care of here. The battery actually had a puncture in the side, so it must have been a buck that got hit. And we are zip tying the bumper pieces back together. We'll need a new header panel to bolt the headlight to. This headlight was disintegrated. What you see is what was left. Headlight on that side we just took out real quick to replace the panel. So try to decide what bumper pieces we try to zip tie back in place and what we just let her ride. We could check a junkyard to see how much bumper covers are, but we want to get her back on the road, so we'll see. Any thoughts? No thoughts. We will return. Quick follow-up video of our Trailblazer. Upper ball joints still performing flawlessly, but nature gets in the way sometimes. But with two popular mechanics, anything is possible.
Oh yeah. Don't mind wherever that goes.
That's
Yo,
perfect.
we'll get to that.
She's fixed.
So, we had to get the main plastic piece that goes across the front and a new headlight.
Header panel.
A header panel, whatever you want to call it.
New headlight.
The old headlight that we actually had, that we glued back together later.
This was a repairable before that we were able to salvage that one.
See, this is the original bumper cover. We got a new bumper cover that actually, this whole side was just gone. So this was pretty much the only chunk left of it on the corner. And that was it.
So new grill. We were able to save the Chevy emblem, and Goodwill saved the day for our custom stainless grill.
It's actually aluminum, but
We got a bunch more.
so next time.
Hit us up if anybody needs some help.
So it was 69 cents, but we tore off the rest of that.
So that's a $1.70 grill right there. That's big money.
We fixed the. It's got the plastic clips that you just go back in. This whole piece, if you look back in there, that mounts like the bottom of the fender and stuff. That one. That mounts to like the bottom of the fender, and like this mount. This mount was supposed to be melted onto these. We just bolt it, and then we put a little galvanized shield in there just to protect the headlight for Grandpa.
We're gonna leave the custom deer fur that's jammed in the rim between the tire and the wheel. We're gonna leave that for extra traction in the snow.
Yeah, there's only like half the inner fender's gone.
You don't need that. You don't need that where we're going.
Oh yeah. So this is,
That's
we got the very, very stubby, chubby little self-tappers. And just bang, 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 bang.
This is going on the Christmas card right here.
Oh yeah, this is about as high quality as it gets.
You got some Harbor Freight hardware with a little RTV so they don't back out.
So it's actually all angled downward. It's actually forced induction now.
It's cold air kit is what it is.
Oh, so it's just forcing it down into the radiator. Very high quality.
So if you haven't, be sure to like, subscribe, comment on our voyage to 200 subs. We won't stop though. We're going to start at 200. There we go. Good as new.